This tool here that I want to show everybody, it's called Kahoot. You can get to it by going to kahoot.com, and what it does is it creates quizzes and polls that you can use in your classrooms. I use it as a study guide. I haven't used it as much as what I really wanted to, but there's a couple teachers within the school that I teach in that use it pretty religiously. This one, the way you can create this is you just log in, you create an account completely free. There's different versions that can cost money, but there's one that's really awesome that's free. It does everything that I need it to do. So you just go in, you create new, and here, whatever, you can use a template if you want to. I just use this here as the regular one. You can go in with the title. So for Kahoot quiz, I use it for different tests that we do, and you can just enter a question in here. So something simple, for example, what is the sum of 2 plus 2? You go in, you can add at least 2 answers. You can go 2, 4, which we all know is the actual answer, 5, and 8. It's pretty easy. You can choose how many points you want it to be, 0, 1,000, or 2,000. I generally keep everything in 1,000. Add another question. We can go quiz or true or false. These open-ended puzzle, slide, and poll questions are more for if you are in a big area and you're wanting, or a big conference or a lot of people, and you're wanting to get different answers, or if you're wanting to start at like a beginning of a unit. I don't generally use those, and you do have to pay in order to get those. So I just use the quiz or the true and false. So if we do true and false, I usually start off with T/F to indicate that that's true or false. We can go 5 is the sum of, or I guess let's do something that's a little closer related to what I'm actually teaching. Biology is the study of life. We know that that is true. I just click here, show that's the correct answer. As you get through, you can go ahead and click done, and I'll show you one that I actually had quite a bit of help creating for earlier this year. So my animal science semester final, you go and you can go in and click, and you can play here, and you can either do classic or team mode. It also allows the students to use their phone if they want to download Kahoot, or they could just, in my classroom or in my school, we all have Chromebooks that we're able to use, and this would be geared more toward educators, so that way they can actually go in there and to create these different opportunities. And the 2 ISTA standards that I think that this covers is 3E, so that way you can actually see personalized student progress. It shows it to them, how many they got correct, how many points they got, and then if you're competing within a class, it gives them shows where they ended up in the class. And the other one is 2B. I believe that this helps enhance student learning because it shows them different things that they should have learned, and if they miss those questions, they can see that they need to go back and recreate those or restudy over that certain material.